Hey everybody, welcome back to Big Daddy's Barbecue Pit. This week, we're gonna do a Cajun style turkey breast on a big green egg. So where we're starting at here is we have a turkey breast that we sourced from the Butcher Shoppe in Pensacola, Florida. It's about 5 pounds. We cleaned the skin off of it real good. And I melted a 1.25 sticks of butter and took 2 tablespoons of Steak Princess Cajun seasoning, Rylee's Firefly dust, and about a teaspoon of garlic powder. Blended it really well. Now we're going to inject this turkey breast and hopefully not make a mess. And we're just going to come in here every inch or so. Just put a little bit in there. Just going along about every inch or so. Not going crazy with it, just enough. We're going to use whatever stays out on top of here as the binder for the rub. We're going to use the same rub on the outside of this turkey breast that we're using in the injection. So I'm just going to take my glove hand and kind of, that butter's all, look. Here. Let me get this one here first. There. See how that butter already started to, what do you call it? Yeah, congratulate. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to give it a nice layer of Rylee's Firefly dust. Got the egg running at 275. Probably going to cook this for about an hour and a half and then wrap it in some aluminum foil. Put this guy over. Just get the other side. I love the smell of that rub. Should be good to go. We're going to let this sit here for a few minutes and we're going to take it out and put it on the egg. Okay, we have our egg running at 275. Got just a couple chunks of apple wood in there. We're going to go ahead and pick this breast up and we're just going right in the center. We have our deflector plate in there and I want to kind of set this thing up how I want it to cook, just like that. We're going to let this go for about an hour. We're going to come back in and take a look at it, put a probe in it and start watching it. And from there, probably wait about another 45 minutes and we'll wrap it up with some butter. Okay, so we're at about 130 on this turkey breast. You can see it looks beautiful. It got a great color. That's what we were looking for. We're going to go ahead now and wrap it in some aluminum foil. And we're not going to add anything to the foil. We're just going to wrap it loosely and finish this off. We're looking to probably 164, 165 finish temp. Let it carry over. So we got this probe. We're going to go ahead and just stick it right down in there and we're going to watch for about 165. We'll pull it off, give it a try. Okay, we are at 163 on this turkey breast. We're going to go ahead and pull it off and we're going to let it sit. There you go. We're going to let it sit for probably about 10-15 minutes to rest and we're going to go ahead and slice it. This is going to carry over to where we wanted it at 165 easily, so we're just going to take it off here. I'm going to set it in an aluminum pan and we're just going to let this thing rest. We'll slice it up and show you how it tastes. Okay, so we have our turkey breast off and rested. We're going to go ahead and slice this thing open. We've rested it probably 15 minutes. Again, we took it to about 163, brought it in, let it rest, and it's up over, it's like 168 right now. So we know we're good. We're going to go ahead and slice this thing open. You can see the juice just pouring out of it. Take a couple of slices here. You can see nice and juicy. Get pouring out of here. Y'all, that's probably the best damn turkey I ever ate. No kidding. You can taste that injection we put in there throughout. It's so nice and tender. It's not dry. It's not like Thanksgiving. This stuff is good. Make sure you give this recipe a try. Damn, give me some bread. I need to make me a turkey sandwich. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Get some. Good. Oh my God.